In today's Digital Marketing News Today segment, we're going to talk about the new voice commands that YouTube has added to their platform. Stay tuned, here we go. Alright, welcome back everybody and thank you for joining me. My name is Jordan Steen, also known as Serial Entrepreneur, and at this channel we talk all about starting a marketing agency, a personal brand, or really just building an online business. And if you're interested in any of those, you're going to want to make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in the bottom right hand corner of this video. Oh, and just in case you didn't know, by hitting that, it's going to let you know when all of our future videos come out, when we do free giveaways for our courses, new trainings, new templates, all of that. So definitely do that. Oh, and by the way, if you're considering starting a YouTube channel for your brand or your agency in 2019, then stay tuned to the end of this video and we'll give you a bunch of the secret tips and really what you're going to want to know about starting your channel this year. So guys, we've actually put together tons of other voice search videos because voice search is becoming so popular with search engine optimization and really just using search engine platforms. Now, like I mentioned in the beginning, YouTube has actually updated their voice search option so that way you can do more than just a specific video title search. YouTube is actually on update 13.50.52. I know, it's a lot of updates, right? Also, who adds 13.50.52? Like, what kind of numbering system? Anyways, but basically guys, I'm gonna show you a really quick on-screen example of how to do voice search in case you're not familiar with what that is. Maybe you've been living under a rock, I really hope not, but in case you haven't seen it before, this is really quickly how to do it. Basically, you're gonna open up YouTube on your mobile app, and then you'll see in the top right-hand corner, the little search, like magnifying glass, you're gonna click that, and then you're going to tap on the microphone on the right-hand side of the search bar instead of actually typing on the left-hand side of the search bar. Tap that microphone on the right and then start saying whatever it is that you're searching for. Now, the cool thing is with voice technology, they actually record your voice and start to learn voice patterns and things that you say, words that you say, so that way it makes it to where it pretty much is always right 100% of the time. Sometimes there's some discrepancies, but for the most part, it is pretty accurate. Question of the day, is your brand or business or agency ready for voice search? Meaning, do you know what you really need to be taking into consideration with voice search in the future? If not, check out this video on the top right hand corner. So unlike the previous version of the voice search option, which was pretty much just standard across all YouTube apps, whether you were using Apple or Android or whatever, what they've done now is they've actually added in a different feature, a different capability for you to be able to perform searches. Specifically, what they did was adding in things that people actually say when they're looking for something. So for example, show me trending videos of 2019 is a new search feature. But if you previously typed in show me something, right? Those keywords, show me top, you know, that would actually be used in whatever other keywords or videos out there were containing those keywords in them, right? Versus showing the person, which is the action that they were requesting, the videos that they wanted to see, right? So there used to be some confusion there. Obviously, YouTube did an update, and so now you can actually talk like you're talking to a person, but you're actually doing it through YouTube's voice search command. But guys, this isn't a very long video. It's super, super short because of the fact that this is just a really cool update that you need to keep your eye on. Okay, this wasn't a big update for YouTube's platform, but it is a big step in the positive direction for voice search. Also, guys, as we continue into the future and people become more and more dependent on technology, they're going to continue to want to use easier functions, right? Like voice search, meaning you need to be considerate of your voice search plan and how that relates to SEO and also your website and all of your content. So I hope that was an interesting little segment for you. Definitely go over to YouTube and test out some of those voice search features. Actually, you can go to my channel, click the search icon. Once you actually make it to my channel page, you can click the magnifying glass search icon and use the voice search command there as well to find videos inside my channel. So that's gonna help you guys out a ton just in searching for quality content that you're looking for. But like I said, that's it for today's video. Since you stayed till the end, I promised you I would teach you all about starting a YouTube channel and how to really actually make money from it. So if you are interested in that, check out this video in the top right-hand corner. We just put that one together. I promise you're gonna like it. But that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something new. That's the whole point of these Digital Marketing News Today segments. But I'm gonna get out of here for now. Until next time, Serial Entrepreneur out.
Ready to start living the six-figure work wherever, be your own boss lifestyle? Well, at Serial Entrepreneur Academy, we'll teach you how to use a laptop and internet to start your own social media and digital marketing agency. Get started with our free Facebook ads training. Links in the description below, guys. See you in the course. Serial Entrepreneur out.